everyone, and welcome back to the Creativity Castle.
It's time again to be creative!
Today, we are going to draw some springtime flowers.
Woohoo!
We will be drawing with a black marker from the Paper Studio. And this one is a 0.5 millimeter. It's very small and great for details. Once we're finished, you can always color in our illustration by going to sourpussandfriends.com to the printable section. There you will find today's illustration. Simply click on the link and download this drawing and color it in.
Woohoo!
If you're ready, let's begin.
Let's be creative!
Let's see where our imagination takes us today.
Yay!
Okay, let's begin. We will start by drawing many little flowers. Our first flower we will draw right here, about in the center of our page. I first draw the small circle in the middle, and then we will begin to draw little petals around the circle to create the flowers. Woohoo! And let's draw another one. These look like little daisy flowers. We will continue to draw all sorts of sizes of little flowers. Let's make this next one a little bigger, and this one we'll make with longer petals. Here you can be very creative with the type of flowers you draw. I remember these flowers from my granny's garden. We will draw all sorts of happy flowers. And let's try a different flower here. We will draw all sorts of little shapes connected together. And we'll add leaves and stems to our flowers as we draw today. We just want these flowers to look natural. All sorts of pretty flowers. I am so excited for spring. Are you excited for spring? It continues to get warmer outside. And we'll add some stems to the flowers here. And some leaves. And we'll add some more leaves. And we'll continue to add little flowers. These flowers would make a beautiful bouquet. Or perhaps we can put these flowers in a nice vase. All these happy flowers. And remember, these are all sorts of flowers, and the petals can be all different sizes. Here we just want to create some visual interest. doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. And these flowers kind of look like lilac flowers. I can't wait to color in this drawing. And we'll add more leaves and stems. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. All sorts of pretty little flowers, some small and some larger. How many flowers can you count? Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. And we'll make some flowers on this side. With drawing flowers, you can make all sorts of different variants. No two flowers are the same. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Now it's almost time to begin planting flowers in the garden. Today I may go outside and begin to plant some bulbs. They always say to wait till after the last frost, and then it's a good time to plant your bulbs. And here we'll make one with a little bit larger petals again. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. Here's a nice little stem. And here we'll fill in with a few more leaves and some stems to make sure all the flowers are connected. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo.
What pretty flowers!
Why, thank you, Penny. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Remember, after this drawing, go to sourpussandfriends.com. There you can download this drawing and color it in. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. We are almost finished drawing our little flowers. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. I'd like to thank all of you who support our channel and our website, sourpussandfriends.com. Our goal is to reach 50 subscribers soon. And for the 50th subscriber, we will send a free Sauerpuss t-shirt. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. And now we will begin to draw the container that the flowers are in. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Let's make a short little round container to hold these flowers. Perhaps let's draw a clay pot that will hold these flowers. And here we'll draw a rounded flower pot. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. And let's put a few details on this container. How about some wavy lines, just like this? And let's add some additional decorations on this container. Woo-hoo-hoo. And here you can always use your imagination to design your container the way you'd like to. Woo-hoo. Let's draw some graphic flowers on this container. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. And here we have some pretty graphic little flowers on our container. Woohoo! So what else could we add to our drawing? Oh, let's add a little butterfly flying around the flowers. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. And how about another one? Let's add one just above these little flowers, but let's make this one a little tiny butterfly. Let's add a tiny little caterpillar crawling down the side of the container. And let's put our vase of flowers on a windowsill. We'll make this window a frame around our flowers. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. And we'll make this frame look like a little arch. And then we'll add a little thickness to our frame. And we'll just visually measure out where we want to connect the lines and add little marks. And then all we have to do is connect the lines. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. And here we have our frame as we go all the way around the illustration. And then we'll add some little details. Let's make little circles around the frame. These little details always make the illustration look a little bit more interesting. As you can see, this illustration has a very hand-drawn and natural quality to it. This is one of my favorite styles of drawing. Perhaps this drawing could be used to make a greeting card out of.
What a cute drawing!
And let's add a few more details. How about a few more springtime insects? Let's make a tiny little ladybug over here. And how about a little ant? Very tiny. And let's add one more little flower at the top. And here we have our container of springtime flowers. And now take a look how I've colored in this illustration. And here I've used some light pastel springtime colors. And notice how I've used some colors to add some additional texture to the drawing. If you'd like to color in this drawing, go to sourpussandfriends.com. There you can go to the printables section for a free download.
Oh boy, what fun!
Thank you for joining this follow along. See you next time, and remember to
Be creative!
creative!